Here and now. 64 counts, 3 walls, high improver level. Wait on the left. Since all the steps are single count, 1 step, 1 count, I'll just do all the steps first and do the counts together after. Section 1. Forward right, touch left toe behind, back left, kick right forward, coaster step, back together, forward, brush. Section 2. Step, lock, step, forward, lock, forward, brush. Forward, pivot, half turn, stomp with snap, angle body to the left and hold. Section 3. Forward left, touch right toe behind, back right, kick left to left diagonal, behind, quarter forward, facing 9, forward left, hold. Section 4. Chase half turn, step, pivot half, step, hold. Lock step, forward, lock, forward, brush. Section 5. Slow jazz box, quarter turn, cross hold, quarter back, hold, facing 6. Chassé to the right, side, together, side, hold. Section 6. Make a 180 turn facing 730 diagonal. Forward left, touch right toe behind, back right, kick left. Big step left, drag right heel for 1 count. 1/8 behind, square up to 6. Quarter forward, facing 3. Section 7. Forward right, hold. Pivot half turn, hold. Now facing 3. Lock step, step, lock, step, hold. Section 8. Step left to left diagonal. Right foot, heel, toe, heel. Side right, flick left behind. Back left, hook right over. And start again. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, 5, 6, 7 hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drag 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, 5, 6, 7 hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wall 3, 16 counts, restart. Wall 3 start facing 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Forward on 8, restart. Wall 4, 32 counts, restart. Wall 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart. After another 2 full wall, wall 7, start facing 9 o'clock. 32 counts, restart. Wall 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart. You will do another full wall and finish at 9 and start your last wall. Last wall, 32 counts. You finish same spot here. Step right to the side. Right finger up and look up. End of the dance.